halaga ng isang workshop ay natutulungan niya ang isang tao na ma-develop yung skills niya further. Ang mga workshop, medyo iba yan sa mga natututunan natin na like how we learn in school. Ang difference ng classroom learning from a workshop is that ang workshop kasi, it's more practical. So, kung sa school, natututo tayo ng mga binabasa natin sa libro, yung mga sinasabi ng mga teachers natin, nagtitake down ng notes, sa workshops, medyo iba. It's more practical. So, lahat ng skills na matututunan natin sa workshop, ma-apply natin agad. Kasi ang workshops, it's more of learning by doing. And the more experience that we get, the more that we can progress and develop as to what we want to be, yung goal natin. Through workshops, nai-improve nito yung reaction, both emotionally tsaka yung intellectually. Importante na ma-workshop mo ang isang tao just because mas impactful ang workshop. Hindi porke nag-aral ka ng matagal, nagbasa ka ng libro, it doesn't necessarily mean na natututo ka. Sa workshop, may expand mo yung knowledge mo. Kumbaga, ang workshop kasi, it's more intensive at the same time, extensive siya. Intensive, meaning nafo-focus mo yung natututunan mo based on the topic that you're learning about. And at the same time, it's extensive, meaning kung ano yung natutunan mo na or yung mga alam mo na, na-expand or na-extend mo pa yung knowledge mo beyond what you already know. In workshops, a person, especially children, are developed practically. Napapractice na nila agad through drills, exercises, simulations, interactions. So, mas na-express nila yung sarili nila na immediately. Feedback is given immediately. The practice that they get from the workshops have immediate feedback. Happier.
Happy.
Excited.
Excited.
Confused. Disgusted. Crazy.
I'm so crazy.
Happy.
Happy.
Sad. Confused. Disgusted. Angry.